Will the SF Pro fit my Rockler router tabletop?
I'd buy this in a heartbeat if it fit my SawStop.
I'd love to see a carrier plate option that works with tables other than Woodpeckers.
For decades, customers have wanted to fit Woodpecker's router table fences to other brands of router table, and all too often, the answer was, no, it won't fit. Until now. Now, with only a few exceptions, the answer is, yes, it will. The SF-PRO Universal adds a compact central micro adjustment and adjustable spacing of the mounting knobs to the feature set of our original SF-PRO. If your router table has mounting tracks with any spacing between 16 3/4 inches and 33 1/4 inch, center to center, the SF-PRO Universal will fit. This includes most router tables with slots milled directly into the table, and most tables with tracks mounted to the edge, like the SawStop freestanding cast iron router table and the JessEm router tables. Once you've locked in the spacing, it stays right there, and the fence bolts have a shoulder to keep them aligned to your table grooves. Installing and removing your fence just couldn't be easier. Once it's on your router table, you'll start to notice the other great features. Both infeed and outfeed fences have micrometer adjustment, and at the center of it all, a third micrometer dial controls both fence halves. Hiding under the center micro adjustment locks are 4 bearings, 2 on each side. These keep the fence perfectly aligned and completely eliminate any racking while you're micro adjusting the entire fence. All 3 micro adjusters have scales with both inch and metric graduations, and the knobs themselves are divided in 1/1000th of an inch graduations that are nearly 1/8 of an inch apart. Sneaking up on a perfect fitting joint has never been easier. The front of the fence includes the features you've come to expect from a Woodpecker's router table fence. SuperTrack extrusions give you smooth adjustment for the bit opening. If you need a precise fit between your bit and the fence, a pair of sacrificial MDF faces are included. Woodpecker's variable pressure feather boards work with or without the sacrificial faces, as do our SuperTrack stops. Today's woodworking shop revolves around the router table, and no matter which router table you use, Woodpeckers or another brand, there's no finer fence than Woodpecker's SF-PRO Universal. Order yours today.